There is no need to carry out further discussions on Citizenship Amendment Act in Manipur. Fast-track court crime against women serves 10 years of rigorous imprisonment and 1,000 rupees fine to a rape convict. And Manipur bags overall championship title of 16 Junior National Jump Rope Championship 2019. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the headlines in details. Chief Minister Onthomba Birane has said that there is no need for further discussion on Citizenship Amendment Act in Manipur. He was addressing a public gathering held as a part of a Jana Jagran Abhiyan at Moirang Kuno Kangjaibung in Thanga, Bishnupur district today. Chief Minister N. Birane said that it is high time for people to focus on their respective works. He said the central government has extended inner line permit system in Manipur, exempting it from the CAA, and peace shall prevail in the state. Birane appealed to people to stop opposing the CAA as no outsiders can purchase land nor stay in Manipur over an extended period of time under the ILP regime in Manipur. The Chief Minister alleged the previous government of selling out the state by assuring hollow promises to various communities. He assured that no place in the state will be deteriorated during his reign, like how Ziribam was left ignored by the previous government. Chief Minister Onthomba Birane led a Jana Jagran rally from State Highway Moirang Road till Moirang Kuno, Kangjaibung. Deputy Speaker K. Robindro, MLAs, workers and many people attended the event. BJP spokesperson stressed on CAA 2019 at the event.
Citizen Amendment Act Manipur Yoraroi, Mangera, Fagera, Paroida Madu, Mapangi Pony, Aduka Sumang Mandi, and a Kanga Mangi and Hagadaba, Adu is where Kambu, the Hansan Kushimata Mangan, but Patti and Kalimaria, Mariana, Energy Man having Bush over Kambu Yamlay. I don't know, Monsieur Yamnue, Kendra Humfumata, party may and they Apiltoni, particularly with that. Is the right time. BJP Gidamati. Loro Taniko, Maro Taniko, Nafa Taniko, Masigi, Sahiaman is the name Masigi, Miles Lowa Hitrava, Masigi capitalized Orgata over Amdrava, Adu Erga BJP, Oiroi, is whole Pirabani.
Fast-track court crime against women has sentenced a man convicted of raping a minor girl to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 1,000 rupees. The convict is 40-year-old Jinswang Mung Zhao alias Jin Mung Zhao, son of Jinswang Hang from Tang Pizol village under Singhat police station of Churachandpur district. Jinswang Mung Zhao raped a minor girl near the toilet of Science and Technology Department in 1998. Imphal police station has been trying to get hold of him since the victim's father lodged a police complaint. Singhat police arrested him on October 2016-24. After necessary investigations by the investigating officer of the case, a charge sheet was filed against Jinswang Mung Zhao on March 3, 2002. He was produced before the court for sentence hearing today. Defense counsel pleaded the judge for leniency in punishment, while State Counsel Special Public Prosecutor prayed to award stringent punishment to the convict under Indian Penal Code 376. After listening to both the sides, Additional Session Judge of Fast-Track Court Crime Against Women, Bini Ngangom, announced the sentence. Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West 2 Judge Moirangthem Hiralata has sent a man accused of burning his wife into judicial custody. The accused is 35-year-old Thangjam Umakanta, son of T.H. Ipopisak from Mayang Imphal, Kokchai, under Mayang Imphal Police Station in Imphal West District. It may be recalled that Umakanta doused his wife with kerosene and set her on fire at around 2:30 3:30 p.m. of December 24th after she returned from her maternal home. The victim is undergoing treatment at Seizure Hospital. Gunshot from a licensed gun originated from a heated argument between two brothers at Kwakaithel Thongnawjam Laikai has injured one individual. The incident occurred at around 10 last night. The victim is 51-year-old Laishram Lokin, son of late Lokeshwar from the same locality. Speaking to media, mother of the victim, Laishram Ombi Pateshori, said that her son Lokin, who is serving as a teacher at Senapati, came home for vacation a few days ago. She said Lokin went out with 51-year-old Thongam Nobo, son of Zatra from the same locality, last evening. Patesori said that 4 gunshots were heard from around 10 last night, and shortly afterwards her son rushed home with bullet injuries. She said her son told her that he sustained the injuries from gunshots fired by one Thongam Ichauba, elder brother of Thongam Nobo, in the fits of sibling quarrel. Pateshori said her son sustained bullet injuries on his neck, wrist, upper and lower back and is being hospitalized at Seizure Hospital. Speaking to media, Secretary of Kwakaithel Thongnawjam Laikai Nupi Lub Vidyapati said that Lamphel police arrested Thongam Ichauba and his son last night. She condemned the incident, which has created fear psychosis among the residents.
Palisi ay isa si moina karamba nuai ta belai kisini da lekai sida ma sen ro ta khada be minati haba karamba nuai ta belai da magi baru mari ka thora pasida kanare be manang kwa sida di pandre haba ai ki isa si da loina pale haba
ngarang akoina nongmoi makon tagraba matungda kangsi khinge thoga yengba matamda nongmoi pale na leirame mayam je loin thongnare kangsi khingamnina mase doctor puna ba khotna baina tawraga degi di police la aga phagre kapiba imungi mi singse maru mari pale amana ngaksamda amana udangi geno seisda ani mana khwangda panbagi pot ani siga degi khutki siga mase kan hujikse maru se manungda thiba khangda dana observation gi geno da lei aduga ngaksam gi dudi ngarang kudakta adum lokthokre license gun orasu ama orasu smaina lekai do isnu adegi mi ama do isnu smai sizina bam chadana akogi aki akhang threat pibase sisi amna nungaijade.
Chief Minister of Manipur State Council, the Jur Government of Manipur in London, Yambem Biren, in a press release, informed that the de jure government of Manipur has resolved to conduct a general election in 2022 to establish a de jure and de facto government under Manipur State Constitution Act 1947. And 6-week entrepreneurship skill development program on digital photography and videography kicked off at a training hall of MSME DI Takelpot Industrial Estate today. As MSME Development Institute Imphal, along with Manipur Amateur Photo Club, organized a program under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. The program aims to enhance skills of literate youths to create jobs.
Hanasu akoina siguma program asi EDP haidana sayol ani gi oina tawjai madudadi particular trade natraga skill amata yaude isam na be entrepreneur mato karamna oigadage haiba adu khatta chansanjabani adu masigi akogi program asidadi skill ama haibadi photography masung videography ani chi hapchanjaraga akogi hogolagi banha sing asida moina masana masago thau pijanaba adu loinana hayeng manamo atei atopasu amu
A combined team of Imphal East Commando and 6 Assam Rifles has arrested one suspected NNC active cadre. The miscreant is identified as 35-year-old Dinesh Golmai son of Ngathaupau Golmai from Langol, Lai Manai. The team arrested him from near the wooden bridge of Takil Kongban in Imphal West District at around 3 p.m. on December 27th. He has been handed over to Lamphel Police Station for further investigation. CPI Langtabal Local Council and all Manipur accredited socio-health activists Workers' Union in separate press releases have demanded unconditional release of the General Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, L. Sotin Kumar, who was arrested by Manipur police for his involvement in the nationwide general strike called by the left parties on December 19. Kanglei Park Students Association KSA in a press release has demanded unconditional release of those 31 laborers who were arrested in connection with recent FCI Sangai Pro agitations. KSA has also demanded the authorities concerned to resolve the issue at the earliest. CAF and PD Labourers Welfare Association in a press release also condemned the government and the FCI for ignoring the plights facing the FCI labourers and giving privilege to the contractors. It alleged that NR Mathai Enterprises has hired new labourers at FCI Sangai Pro to fish out money from them. The association has warned to cease work at the godown of FCI Sangai Pro and other godowns in the state from January 2nd. And Chief Conservator of Forests, T.H. Mahindra Pratap, has inaugurated a spring shade constructed under Spring Shade Development Program of Manipur Forest Department to provide safe drinking water at Lamding Makalekai. Speaking at the event held at the shrine of Ima Laikrimbi in Lamding Makalekai today, T.H. Mahindra Pratap assured that the Spring Shade will provide clean drinking water with mineral contents. He also appreciated the public for extending cooperation to various undertakings of the Forest Department. He further appealed to people to save the environment. People of the area expressed happiness that they will get safe drinking water. Conservator of Forest Central Circle, L. Joy Kumar, and DFO Central, R.K. Amarjit, attended the event.
The Forest Department also umang sisu amoina faganaba koi akal makage scheme gi makada koi thajanba adagi mai chahandaba matam gi ba thabak torom kyam pakhalakpati maruina prajana achauba mating pibibedagi ngasigi fiam si lakpane koi praja singji masamu phaba nungaibe phaba adagi senthok lambi hengalakpada achauba mating amoigani an ai koi punna Manipur ki praja kachin ka chingna manda tamda leriba khoi kibe koina umang si yokhatpagi Manipur sarkar na local ba kongtang se punna koi saruk aminadra ching sing se umang sing se asangba umang ohelaga koi se nunga yai pheba lamdam mama ohen si.
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar distributed Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gitingbang, CMHT and PMJAY health cards to the beneficiaries under the jurisdiction of Irompukri Mapal in Kaishamthong constituency today. PMJAY cards were distributed to 192 beneficiaries and CMHT cards to 150 beneficiaries at the event organized by Kaishamthong National People's Party Development Committee. Speaking on the occasion, Minister L. Jayantakumar assured that health cards will be provided to beneficiaries from other areas of the constituency in the near future. He appealed to people to make use of the cards and to stay healthy. Corporator of Ward Number 12, Potsangbam Ongbi Premila, attended the event. On the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on fashion designer Robert Naurim's New Year calendar. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Renowned fashion designer of Manipur, Robert Naurim has released a New Year calendar showcasing his fashion events and achievements during the year 2019. Speaking on the occasion at Robert Naurim's studio in Udipok today, Robert Naurim said that he has been participating in various international fashion platforms, including fashion shows at Milan and Paris, to promote and showcase Manipur's unique handloomed and textile products. N.K. Sanajauba Memorial Trust observed the 83rd birth anniversary of eminent journalist late N.K. Sanajauba at Lamyan Basanglen in Palace Compound today. Attendees paid floral tributes to his portrait, and the first N.K. Sanajauba Memorial Lecture was held at the event. Experts spoke on Lamyanba and Manipur nationalism. Speaking on the occasion, Trust Vice President S.H. Shamu stressed on the need for youths to discuss and revive the Manipuri nationalism embedded in Lamyanba, Lachin Daily by N.K. Sanachauba during his tenure as editor of the Daily. He asserted that late Sanachauba's assertions made 40 years ago have turned into reality today. S.H. Shamu said that issues of Naga peace talks and intrusion of illegal migrants were already predicted by the eminent editor.
Thogdok mayam haibidi samna harabda Naga peace talk amati mapandagi sangaiba mayam asi sanajawbagi manglanda hana urama panghaktani sahi nifugi mamangda mana thambirambasi ngasidi asumba oina thore aduna asingma matangsi rokada aikoi karamna leibatai haibisigi matangsi N.K. Sanajawbagi magi lamyanbagi article singsida thambirami mahangna aikoi ase maninga aba tharoigum nungaina dum leithokna leigadaba matam natre masigi mahutta amaga leiminariba yelhomi mayam jingsi nungsi chanana leiminadana amana amagi mateng pangnadana one for all for one haiba akoi wakalon sina mangda thare harga akoi khongjang ka sanction minabatai.
Manipur State Kala Academy Imphal organized the second Dr. Kamal Memorial Lecture today at the auditorium of Government Dance College Palace Compound. Manipur State Kala Academy awardee Longjam Joy Chandra gave the memorial lecture on the topic Nature and Manipuri Literature. Manipur State Kala Academy awardee Professor I.S. Kangjam graced the event. Two books named Shri Ramcharitamanas ki Ahum Suba Matang and Achamba Bhagya Konaba Machang Oiba Chayaki Slok Amasung Sutra Khara written in Sanskrit by Hansabam Gokul Pishak were released today. Editor of Pongnapam Daily, Aribam Robindro released the two books at a function held at Wangkai Puja, Lampak. Bibatsu Foundation Wangjing organized Winter Children Art Competition at Wangjing Canton Community Hall in Taubal District today. The foundation held the event at the conclusion of its 2-month free winter painting class. Around 150 students from various schools and those attended the painting class took part in the competition. A public discussion on the negative impact of intoxicants abuse and role of the public in curbing drug menace was held at Priyobarta Sharma Mandap in Wangjing, SK Laikai, Taubal District today. Nupilup Wangjing and Kada Taubal District Committee jointly organized the event. Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol Kada District Committee Ziribam along with Mayra Paibis of Ziribam carried out anti-drug drive at various parts of Ziribam yesterday. Country liquors and red wines were seized during the drive. The seized liquors were set ablaze in front of Irabot statue at Babupara in Ziribam. Friendly environmental warriors, FEW District Administration Ziribam and Ziribam Municipal Council JMC felicitated those who collected maximum plastic waste at JMC Hall in Babupara, Ziribam today. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar, lauded people of Ziribam for the initiatives to make the place a plastic-free. He appealed to people to dispose waste at proper places. K. John from Babupara collected 210 kgs of plastic and Babuchan from Bibong collected 173.4 kgs of plastic and P. Bunu from Lakipur collected 170 kgs of plastic. They bagged first, second and third position respectively in the individual category. 10,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees and 5,000 rupees were awarded to the top 3 winners. Imoinu Self Group collected 221 kgs of plastic. New Age Journal Institute collected 96 kgs of plastic and Self-Help Group Ziri Sweeper collected 89 kgs of plastic and bagged first, second and third position respectively in the group category. 12,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees and 8,000 rupees were awarded to the 3 respective winners. Mao Imphal Market Coordinating Committee and Ideal Club Tera Kaithal will jointly organize one-day Mao market sale at Tera Kaithal, Tera Bazaar on December 31st. State-level Gangai Celebration Committee Manipur will organize 5-day Gangai festival starting from January 5th, 2020 at Ramji, Kabui village. Speaking to media, Chingmairong Kabui village, President of State-level Gangai Celebration Committee Manipur K. Kumar Kabui urged the Kabui community to lead the followers of Tingkau Rakwang Chapriak organize the event. He said it would be unfortunate if some civil society apex bodies have to organize the festival. K. Kumar Kabui said that the committee is all set to hold the festival. He added that the people of Tingkau, Rakwang, Chapriak, Phom, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland believe that the festival is all about divinity and they have been preserving the festival from the influence of politics. He said that they have urged Chief Minister Nongthom Biren to resolve the issue over who will host the festival and to lead Tingkau Rakwang Chapriak form a registered body to preserve the Kabui community. General Secretary of Tingkau Rakwang Chapriak form Assam Manipur Nagaland Chau Bakamson and also took part in the press meet.
Si Manipur Sarkar na phong gazette ni gazette phong garba hai si final ni adu justice hai si government na su sina summi hai si moine su step lo ga dabani adu nata na sum politicalize tawraga di dharma da masi yamna kaino tawde dharma hai si festival amakhak leiba si dharma sasaba mi adu na pangthok ga dabani apex body na pangthok ni hai di civil society organization sina akoi gi dharma ga mari am taleina de Christmas di Christian dharma sapa sing na pangthok ni adu akoi gi ga ngai sai si da atopa akoi gi lining sattaba hai bitai ko Modugi Makada Akuibu, Kari Haini Operato, Haridi Madu Akuyabangam Devo. Government the Kainom Tang I Puelam Tamjimudi, Kanana authenticate wege, with the authority, she as per Quig document records in a co, Sigimatungina, Gomena, Asumba step to locality, very easy matter.
And now the sports news. 16th Junior National Jump Rope Championship 2019 concluded at Kuman Lampak Indoor Stadium in Imphal today. Spontaneous Association of Jump Rope Manipur organized the championship under the aegis of Jump Rope Federation of India since December 27. Manipur with 154 points bagged the overall championship title. Haryana with 54 points was placed in the second position, while Maharashtra with 39 points got the third position in the championship. Wabagai MLA Fazur Rahim, Wankai MLA Ukram Henry and top officials of Jump Rope Federations of India felicitate the winners at a valedictory event. Altogether, 9 states competed in the championship.
Adugu Jamro Bhari Masana City, 1 hour Hanamatanda, 1,300 calories. Lotukungam, the camp Helakana, Akoi, Lady Masana City, National Githaka, International Githaka, Sana High River Game, Light of Bugishu Game River. Atopa game, ma'am, when a Sanava Matamda, the Shamayam Sani. High River Jamro City, Lupaya and Kaisama, but Hori Hakitarkane. Any Matamda Ikoina, Sanava Dumbayaba, the Jagasuyam Sandava.
Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren says there is no need to carry out further discussions on Citizenship Amendment Act in Manipur. Fast-track court crime against women serves 10 years of rigorous imprisonment and 1,000 rupees fine to a rape convict. And Manipur bags overall championship title of 16 Junior National Jump Rope Championship 2019.